What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get the fastest fills on Axiom using the Tradewiz Chrome extension. I've previously made videos about Tradewiz, but not their Chrome extension, but their copy trading bot. I've been using their copy trading bot for almost a year now, and it was the fastest bot I've ever used. And now they actually made a Chrome extension and it's fast. And in today's video I'm going to show you why you should use it, how you can install it, and what the best settings are for it. So let's get into the video. So why should you even use the Tradewiz Chrome extension? Simply said, because it's faster. I have been using the Tradewiz Chrome extension now for a while. I've been using other extensions before. I've been trading on Axiom, I've been trading on BullX or in Photon, and it is simply very fucking fast. Just like the copy trading bot is, the Tradewiz extension is insanely fast. The best feature of the extension though is the auto selector of the processor. What does that mean? If you buy something, the transaction gets sent to a processor. There's, for example, Blockstreet or for example Jito, and what Tradewiz does is they send the transaction to every processor, and the one that actually processes your transaction the fastest actually gets the fill. You may ask, okay, but then the fees should be pretty high if you use every processor. No, actually the fees are lower than any other trading bot, and that's what is so fucking cool about Tradewiz. The fees are lower and it's the fastest. So let's get into how to install it. So I've put you a link in the description that gets you directly to the Tradewiz Telegram bot. Please just press this link in the description. Don't Google it. Don't get on any fucking scam link where you will get drained. We've had this happen before. Just use the link in the description and then you will get to the bot, and then simply what you're going to do is type /start. And then you can see it's a normal overlay like a lot of other bots, but what we want is press the extension button. Then you will actually press open. Then actually what will open is the Chrome extension on the Chrome web store. What you're going to do is then press to add to Chrome, add extension, then it's already added. You can then go ahead and pin it so it stays there. Then you open it. And here you need to enter a code. How do you get the code? It says get the code from Telegram. You just press it and it will go to Telegram and then actually give you a code. I'm not going to show this because that's my code. And then you will go back into the extension and then actually copy your code into it, press verify, and boom, that's it. You're going to have your Tradewiz wallet in the extension and you're ready to use it. So now you may ask, okay, Simon, I want to import my wallet into Tradewiz, my Axiom wallet into Tradewiz. How can I do that? This is also very simple. You're just going to go on Tradewiz here on the top, account and security. Then you will go to manage wallets right here. And then I already have my Tradewiz wallet here, but if you want to import your Axiom wallet into Tradewiz, you will just go onto your wallet you want to import. You're going to go on export private keys. Then you will connect with your Phantom and then it will show you your private key. And if you have your private key, you will just go over to the Tradewiz trading bot. Then here you will go /start again. Then you will go on wallet, import wallet. Then you will go on confirm import. And then it's going to ask you for the private key. You're just going to paste the private key, enter it, and boom, that's done. Then your wallet is going to be in here in Tradewiz and you can start trading with the extension. So now we're going to talk a bit about these settings. You don't need to do a lot here. Here is the quick buy amounts. That is the button here. You can see. I'm just gonna now go ahead and do one. Then we're gonna reload this, and then we will see we have the Tradewiz quick buy here. You can change this on for how much ever you like. Then here's the function that I've talked about before, the processor. I have it on auto. You can use Jito, Slot, Temporal, Nextblock, and Blockstreet. I advise you, like I said before, use auto. It's gonna use the fastest one, but with paying the exact amount of fees. Then anti-MEF, if you want it or not. For my case, I'm gonna leave it off. If you want to put it on, you can put it on. That's just my settings. And then if you press here on settings, you actually get to the presets. So I'm now gonna label this as test, and then here you can do a bunch of stuff. So the buy amounts is actually the amounts you're gonna see on your panel when you want to trade. So for example, I'm just gonna do now 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, just as an example. Sell percentages, I'm going to do 10%, 20, 50, and 100. Fees, obviously you need to think yourself, okay, how much are you buying and then how much fees you want to pay. I think like a good middle point is like do 0.005. I think that's good to be like in the middle, depending on obviously how much you want to do. Buy slippage I have on 30% and sell slippage I have on 50%. I know it's very high, but I oftentimes scalp on high volume coins, so that's what worked for me the best. So we're gonna press save, and then you're gonna have your preset here. Then we're gonna go on Axiom and just I'm gonna show you how it works. Your panel is here. If it doesn't show, you're gonna go here and then actually press show panel. It will go here. We don't see here the presets that we just set, the sell presets that we just set. Here you can do the different presets. Now we just have one, the test one. You see pretty much everything here. You can also see your position if you have any open positions. I don't have anything. I have some USDC and some SOL. You can put on your limit orders and see if you have any. I don't have any right now, and that's pretty much it. You can buy here. You can also buy here. You can also do a custom amount, like let's say I want to buy 10 SOL, you can just do this here. And now if you want to buy into this, you're just going to press here and then you're going to sell here. Also, another really cool thing that TradeWiz has is you can instantly buy stuff from Twitter. So for example, if you have a Twitter tracker right here, somebody posts a CA here, you don't need to copy it, paste it in here. You can actually press instantly on here. Let me find you an example. That's what I meant. So I found an example here. He posted Baron Trump launch from his official page, and he posted this CA, and you can instantly press here if you want to quick buy 1 SOL, and you can even press here and then you can custom buy and sell. So that's also a really cool thing about TradeWiz. So now actually to show you how fast TradeWiz is, I'm just going to buy into this, boom, and we instantly bought even with low fees. And now if you want to sell, boom, instantly sold. Okay. You see how fast it is. Actually, another great thing is you actually get the notifications instantly on the TradeWiz Telegram. As you see right here, you're gonna get a notification for the buy success, sell success, and then you also get your P&L card instantly sent to your Telegram. So that was already it for the video. I hope you understood everything and it helped you. Any links you're going to need are in the description, the link to Axiom and also the link to TradeWiz. If you have any further questions, just leave a comment down below. You can join my Telegram as well and DM me on Telegram. I'm always happy to help. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.